Nigeria people don provoke give their president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu. They say that they are going to kpai all their politicians for putting them for inside hunger. Say hunger wey dey for the land now. Say the hunger too much. As e be like this, so e don red for everywhere. I want you to watch this video. How Nigerians are planning to kpai their leaders.
All the politicians, all those big politicians, they should bring them and slay them. They should kill all of them.
That's how we hold them accountable. Because by killing them.
Yes, they should bring our money, let them die. They have no use to Nigeria.
People are saying this Tinubu better pass.
I said nothing. All of them. All of them. They should bring all of them and kill them. They are of no use to Nigeria.
The should take place in Nigeria. You are calling
that thing that happened to Ghana, let it happen to Nigeria.
All right, thank you, Auntie.
My brother, since the Tinubu come power, my brother now suffer. I don't know why that man enter that place.
No, the country is not funny. It's very funny. Everything is not going well. We are just suffering. And it us income share money we can get with us. Now maybe we get my vote.
So you vote him?
Yes, me I follow vote.
You vote Jagaba?
I get my voters card even as I deal with you now. So the country don't go funny. I not lie you.
So now they regret say you vote him?
No, for sure they regret because as you know they better for me and my people now. Everywhere bad.
What's bad for Nigeria now?
No food now. If I no
What in Tinubu they do us no good. Yo. All the promises, we promise Tinubu promise us. No one went down for field. So we are not happy. Things are going high every day by day. People are dying in hunger.
The 1 year of Tinubu in our office, we never see any positives, like only negative side. It's negatives.
No joy, sir.
How do you see joy when somebody cannot feed himself? How did you going to have joy? Talking about feed two people, pay house rent, school fees. There's no joy. Yeah, there's no joy.
Now we have our friend now. Be like say the thing don't top up small.
Yes, we had because we know time we expect that we have.
That's why I normally tell people that Nigeria will not be good unless it just be good to you personally. You want a contract and it be good to you and your family or your friend. But in terms of government, our government is not trying. You see that everything have increased. Now fuel is they are planning to put fuel now almost 1,000 naira. So what are we saying? Nothing is coming out. No joy,
Not be any significant progress since inception, since this administration came in power. Are you saying that his predecessor is a bit better to the current one we are right now?
No, nobody will say that.
Are the best for Nigeria? Are the best for Nigeria? Nigeria don't make the country look so junketive. I get him.
What is junketive, please?
Junketive, that is something that is good, don't know where to repair the thing. I make the meaning of junketive. So the country.
1 year where Jagaba don't enter office. How the country be?
No, the country is not funny. It's very funny. Everything is not going well. We are just suffering. And it us income share money we can get with us. Now maybe we get my vote.
So you vote him?
Yes, me I follow vote.
You vote Jagaba?
I get my voters card even as I deal with you now. So the country don't go funny. I not lie you.
So now they regret say you vote him?
No, for sure they regret because as you know they better for me and my people now. Everywhere bad.
What's bad for Nigeria now?
No food now. If I no employment, everybody they complain for the country. Not only him win better for now because my president won't be.
But you collect dollar for election?
I don't collect anything.
But you just vote him for your good mind?
For my good mind, for my gospel church mind, now I vote him. Because now elderly man won't be now. We know single few days do these things.
The way they reconstruct Lagos, he go do better for Nigeria.
Yes. That,
so Nigeria no do better now?
No, everywhere don't scatter.
Next election you go vote him?
You know, say this time around, and not be by voting, now they pass them, on their money they pass them. If not for me, I for say, you know, we'll go again.
What's the way in Nigeria now, if you say, may government poor eye for, where if you say, they worse for Nigeria now?
Sure, I believe, and if the price of things go down like this fuel issue, and that be the major challenge we would face. If fuel bin try come down, everything for us dey okay.
So now fuel be the challenge?
Now fuel na be the challenge. If fuel just come down and move they buy for like 200, 300, everywhere will good. Yes.
Chama, what's up, sir?
Nah, fine.
1 year, Tinubu 1 year in office. This month, May, how you see his administration?
Honestly, what in Tinubu they do us no good. All the promises, we promise, Tinubu promised us. No one went down for field. So we are not happy. Things are going high every day by day. People are dying in hunger. So we are not happy with waiting to happen for this country. No joy.
No joy.
Yes.
You as an individual, the same will not think of waiting your country will do for you every time. Waiting you self, they follow the contribute.
We will not.
Because dollar with the shout that time with dollar day, dollar don't come down. Things still for market still day very high. This is not we self be our own problem. Not be saying that Tinubu because we they always point and it's easy for us to point finger.
What Tinubu expect me to contribute? Now him home money, now him whole power. Me I try to make sure that I go feed myself and some other problems. Him will get money will be one of the richest landlord in Africa. What him expect me to do?
So what do you expect from the government now, bro?
What I expect from the government? Make them build the refinery, and things are going high every day. Make things go down. Garina, you cannot go to market and buy gari cheap. Rice, some other food items, you cannot get them cheap. Then we are not happy. Sometimes we come back to work. The little money we are able to get, we cannot buy gari. We cannot feed ourselves. What do you expect us to do? So things are going high every day by day. We are not happy. So something should be done about all these things.
All right. Thank you. How Nigeria they treat you, Mama?
Nigeria.
Don't go far.
Nigeria. Are the best for Nigeria. Are the best for Nigeria. Nigeria don't make the country. Nigeria don't make the country look so junketive. I get him.
What is junketive, please?
Junketive, that is something you know that is good, don't know where to repair the thing. I make the meaning of junketive. So the country.
Which rule, which part you they play make Nigeria better?
For me, I know rule I will play for now because what are the family they say. If they divide the country, maybe will go away. I'm going to be the area short way.
You want divide the country?
If they divide the country, because the country is too big for one person to control. Right. Because if you take Abuja, there's no reason to happen for this side. Understand me?
Yeah. All right, Mama. Thank you. How you be?
That's when I don't know.
I'm okay, I'm fine. Nigeria, we are almost 1 year today. 1 year waiting Tinubu come power. I be now.
My brother, since Tinubu come power, my brother I suffer. I don't know why that man enter that place. I will not follow vote. You know, I vote no they can't now for this country. This country, na Japa country. I vote no they can't. So as you see this country, they so now suffer. Since morning, I never shop. My brother. It doesn't suffer like this, just they go. It will say they go feed come on that man, put our man back for Tinubu, and for happy I beg.
Buhari back.
No, when they put Buhari come back, I beg. Buhari say better pass. Buhari better pass Tinubu. It will say oh no. I was say maybe Buhari did outside when they. I've been condemned Buhari, but now I don't say Buhari now better pass Tinubu.
Buhari better pass Tinubu.
I swear to God, I beg. The country now and I suffer. Everybody suffer for this country. The country that Japa. I beg. The country that Japa. It was I feel see money now. I feel flyer for this country. Come on for Nigeria. Enter any country at all.
So
Nigeria na jaga jaga. Nigeria na jaga jaga. That song where that guy sing. Nigeria jaga jaga. Now they sing as a real song.
So you let me ask you now. You as an individual, they say make you know they think of what the country go do for you. Make you think of what you do for your country. What will be your own contribution? Where you? What do you contribute?
My brother, you need to nothing this country contribute to you.
What do you contribute for your country?
As a day now, I dey help. They work all kinds of cars them now. I dey help some Nigerian men them for their cars. Sometimes I know they collect money from them free of charge. I dey work free things. So I'm a good citizen to this country. So sometimes I help them working their car free. Some people they cry for me say Tinubu they rule say they don't get money. I go say okay no wahala. I go help them work their car free. They will go. So I'm a good citizen to this country. So I dey try. So no need God like that they bless me. But if I help them they bless me no wahala. Thank you.
Good morning.
Yeah, money. I'm someone.
This month makes it 1 year where Jagaba don't enter office. How the country be?
No, the country is not funny. It's very funny. Everything is not going well. We are just suffering. And it us ain't come share money we get with us. Now we get my vote.
So you vote him?
Yes, me I follow vote.
You vote Jagaba?
I get my voters card even as I dey with you now. So the country don't go funny, I not lie you.
So now, you dey regret say you vote am?
No, for sure I dey regret because as you know, they better for me and my people now. Everywhere bad.
Wetin bad for Nigeria now?
No food now. Even no employment, everybody they complain for the country. Not only him win better for now because my president won't be.
But you collect dollar for election?
I don't collect anything. I don't collect anything.
But you just vote am for your good mind?
For my good mind, for my gospel church mind, now I vote am. Because now elderly man won't be. Now we know things single fit they do these things.
The way they reconstruct Lagos,
yes.
Thing go do better for Nigeria.
Yes. That,
so Nigeria no dey better now?
No, everywhere don't scatter.
Next election you go vote am?
You know, say this time around, not be by voting, now they pass them, or their money they pass them. If not for me, I for say, you know, we'll go again.
What's the way in Nigeria now, if you say, make government poor eye for, where if you say, they worse for Nigeria now?
Sure, I believe, and if the price of